Morning. So I think we've had a good Q3. We've seen significant pricing momentum in our P&C business, with both in the retail side and the commercial line side, with also good growth in volumes in commercial lines. Same on our protection business and our health business in most geographies. And we've had also a good mix of business on the life side. So as you said, we are on a good track to meet our guidance for this year, which is to deliver over 7.5 billion of underlying earnings. So it was a good quarter.
Dig a little bit further into the premiums, and we keep asking this every quarter. How sustainable are they? I mean, premiums up 9% still suggests a lot of pressure on pricing here to the upside. To what extent does demand start to pull back if the pricing keeps on accelerating at this level?
So what we see for the time being is, as I said, good demand for our products. People realize, notably because of natural events, that they need insurance. So we see volume growth. When it comes to price increases, it's obviously highly dependent on inflation. As inflation is coming down, probably you will see less price increases in the coming months and years. But that's okay, because we don't want to increase prices for the sake of it. We just want to make sure that we maintain our profitability.
Yeah, Alban, you also have to kind of look at your claims inflation then as well. I mean, trying to keep that down in a market where there's still consistent or persistent risks in this market and possibly growing. How are you going to be able to keep your claims inflation down?
So it really depends from one business to the other. But if you take motor, for instance, we have a number of initiatives in all the countries we're in to reduce the claims inflation by working with specific garages, by using second-hand spare parts and so on. So you do have a number of initiatives that you can take to reduce or contain your claims cost. Another aspect is obviously natural events. On that front, what we've seen in Q3 is probably an elevated level of natural events, small but intense events. Obviously, prices need to reflect the fact that you will see more of that kind of events in the future, most probably.